Hi again, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll take a look at fire department ventilation techniques. If you have an interest in this type of information, please hit that subscribe button for me. And go ahead and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I add new videos. And most of all, don't forget to like this video. That really helps us get more visitors. Ventilation techniques are crucial aspects of firefighting as they serve the dual purpose of improving conditions for firefighters inside a burning structure while also aiding in the control and extinguishment of the fire itself. In this video, we'll delve into the essential role of ventilation techniques employed by fire departments, the various methods used, and their impact on firefighting operations. The importance of ventilation. Ventilation is a vital component of firefighting for several reasons. Improved visibility. Ventilating a structure helps to remove smoke, gases, and heat, improving visibility for firefighters inside. This is essential for locating and rescuing victims, as well as navigating the structure safely. Control of fire growth. Properly executed ventilation can control the flow of air and heat, which can help prevent the fire from growing out of control. Reduction of backdraft and flashover risk. Ventilation helps reduce the risk of backdraft, an explosive event caused by the reintroduction of oxygen into a hot, smoky environment, and flashover, a sudden and widespread ignition of combustible materials. Removal of toxic gases. By removing smoke and toxic gases, ventilation helps protect both victims and firefighters from the harmful effects of inhalation. Methods of ventilation. Fire departments employ several methods of ventilation, each with its specific applications. Vertical ventilation. This involves creating openings in the roof of a structure, which allows smoke, heat, and toxic gases to escape vertically. Vertical ventilation can be achieved through saws, axes, or chainsaws, and is a standard technique for controlling fires in large 1- and 2-story structures. Horizontal ventilation. In cases where vertical ventilation is not practical, horizontal ventilation is used. This method involves creating openings in walls, windows, or doors to allow smoke and heat to exit laterally. It's particularly useful in multi-story structures. Positive pressure ventilation. PPV involves using fans to introduce fresh air into the structure, creating positive pressure that pushes smoke and heat out. This method is especially useful in high-rise buildings and structures with limited access to the roof. Negative pressure ventilation. NPV, the opposite of PPV, involves using fans to draw air out of a structure, creating negative pressure that pulls fresh air in. NPV is effective in controlling the flow of air in large commercial and industrial buildings. Tactical considerations. Effective ventilation requires careful planning and tactical considerations. Firefighters must evaluate various factors, including building construction. The type and material of a building significantly influence ventilation tactics. Older buildings with multiple layers of roofing, for instance, may require different techniques than modern structures. Fire location and stage. The location of the fire and its stage of development influence the choice of ventilation tactics. Ventilating near the fire can create a flow path for the fire, potentially making it more dangerous. Wind conditions. Wind can impact the effectiveness of ventilation. It may push smoke and flames toward openings or create turbulence that hinders ventilation efforts. Structural integrity. Ventilation tactics must consider the structural integrity of the building. Creating openings in weakened and compromised structures can pose additional risks. training, and safety. Proper training is essential for firefighters to execute ventilation techniques safely and effectively. This training includes understanding the science of fire behavior, recognizing signs of backdraft and flashover, and practicing the use of tools and equipment. Technology. Advancements in technology, such as thermal imaging cameras, can aid firefighters in assessing the conditions inside structures and make informed decisions about ventilation. In conclusion, fire department ventilation techniques play a vital role in firefighting operations, serving both as a means of improving safety for firefighters and victims and as a strategy to control and extinguish fires. The choice of ventilation methods depends on various factors, including the structure's type and condition, the fire's location and the stage, and environmental conditions like wind. The dedication to training and safety, combined with an understanding of fire behavior, highlights the professionalism and commitment of firefighters who apply ventilation techniques to navigate the complexities of fire suppression and protect lives and property. Well, that's it for this time. I encourage you to take a look at the courses on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. These entry-level firefighter test preparation courses are designed to complement each other as the student completes the curriculum. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses real soon. Take care and be safe.